Hey guys, it is Andre and today I am filming a flip through of my pocket planner. I am so excited to be filming this. I'll go ahead and show you guys a little bit of a size comparison because at this point you will have already been able to watch my A5 flip through, which if you haven't watched that, I will try and link it down below, but you can kind of see a size comparison. I also do have the medium size one, which I may set up in the future. These are probably my favorite planners. I think I bought this one used. So this one I bought used, and then I think I bought these two regularly in store. I don't think they always have them online. I went in store and just asked if they had any, and they do have other leather options, but I'm a monogram girl, so had to get the monogram. It's my favorite. I know these are expensive, but there are definitely more affordable options if you're looking. They do have ones at Michael's. They have them online. I think there's like Webster's Pages makes them, Kiki K makes them, Kate Spade makes ring planners. There's lots of options, Foxy Fix. There's even, I've shown clear planners before. You can get these clear planners for really inexpensive if you look up like PVC or just like clear ring planner. You can get these for like, you know, I think between like $10 and $20 on Amazon. So there's definitely lots of options. Filofax. Just looking at what I have up there, that's pretty much what I have. So that is that, but I do have this guy. I've had it for a really long time. So how I have this kind of like assembled, I do have a pen. Actually, I think Elle gifted it to me that does fit in this planner, but it doesn't like match this spread, so I did pull it out. It's just a ballpoint Tiffany's pen. She got me this whenever I went to her wedding, which was super cute because she also does use like ring planners as well. So I did want to set this up in a kind of like spooky Halloween vibe, and I did buy a bunch of stuff from Michael's. I did actually end up not using a lot of this. I think I only ended up using the paper pack. I didn't use anything from this thing. I accidentally ripped it, and I was going to use this as like a journaling card, but it didn't work out because I ripped it and it was just not a good time. So I didn't use any of this. I used a couple of stickers from this, and then one of these, and none of these. So I really honestly probably could have just bought this and then pulled stuff in from my collection to finish it up, but I'll go through everything. And I was going to use these washi tapes, but I just feel like it didn't really but like it didn't work with the setup. But I think I'm going to declutter these, and then I might keep these two. I'm not 100% sure on the bugs, but I think that the gray with the gold spider webs is really cute. I have a lot of washi coming in, not like any like shop. Actually, I do have a couple different shops I'm trying out their washi, but I have a bunch of washi coming in, like manufactured probably like in China, like sold like a lot. Do you know what I'm saying? Like Michael's washi, but like from like Wish, which is like an app. We'll talk about that then. Anyway, so let's go ahead and go through this setup real quick. It was pretty simple, fast to go through, and this is the big one I use for work, and this one's going to be like for personal stuff, which we'll go through all of the inserts then. My other one I couldn't really show you a lot of the inserts, but this one I want to go through and see all of the inserts. I'm sorry, I read a text, but the other one is kind of more personal. I have a lot of things written down. This one I haven't written anything down yet. So anyways, in the pocket I do have just a piece of that paper laminated. I really liked the Ouija board like little like cursor thing, so I put that in there. I thought that was cute. And then I do have a gold washi card. I might pull these out to put like some more functional cards in here, and I also have this spot here if I want to put something in. And then in here I do have an acetate, and I just went ahead and printed and foiled my name on there, and this is hand lettered by Jasenia. She opens custom slots very often. Then I went ahead and laminated some of the papers and just made really quick easy dashboards out of them. All of my inserts are from, I believe all of them are from Annie Plans. I think so. I'm not 100% sure, but I did print out her little monthly. I did order her pocket inserts, and I didn't realize that the pocket TN was different than a pocket ring, so I just printed them at 90%, which worked. So there's the September, October, and this is her like monthly with the bow list. So I just printed out all of the months until February, and I figured what I could do is just kind of like check off the days and then write any important days in the little bow area. Then onto my next little dashboard is actually a glitter dashboard. So I did laminate some of that glitter that I purchased. I forgot to mention that. And then I did put a Fox and Pip glitter black A with one of those gold spiders on there. And then I just have the bats that didn't have any foil, so that's why I put that on top. And then I did print out some of her purple lists. This was in like a set, and I just printed the purple page. And I also made a little bookmark out of a piece of laminating paper, and then I laminated a little bow from Once More With Love, and just made a little bow bookmark, which I thought was cute. So I thought the purple kind of went best. There was a white one too, but I just printed out a bunch of the purple ones. And then I have my next dashboard, which does have the different stars. So there's like the black kind of, I can't think of the word, gunmetal, and then also the gold stars. And then I put this little like diagram of a hand. And then this is just the foiled black and white stripes. And then I did put this in there, and this, it's a little stuffed. I feel like Louis really like dropped the ball on like the size of the rings in here. I feel like I have the pocket in the acrylic and the rings are like a lot bigger. So that's something to keep in mind whenever, if you're purchasing a little baby Louis, that the rings are itty bitty little small. So, oh boy. So then I also have a gift list. This is from Jasenia's, I think it's Jasenia's Printables. Jasenia's Printables, or the Planner Sophisticates shop, and she has like a little gift list, and I just went ahead again and printed these at a smaller size. So I printed out 3 of the gifts list, and then the wish list form for like stuff for myself, and then I also printed out the shop coupon code area, because I do have a lot of like personal codes for shops that I always forget, so I have to go like look up my last order and look at the invoice and find the coupon code that they have supplied me. Then I have my favorite paper from the paper pack, which is super cute. And then I also did print these out from Annie Plans, or is it Annie Printables? Annie's Plans Printables maybe. And these are a collab with the Fox and Pip, and I just went ahead and printed like 2 of every sheet, just because I thought they were really cute to kind of like write a title on top and then write the list in the bottom. Then I did print out this acetate here and put the little moon here, and this says Living My Best Life, and this is a lettered, you can buy this in her shop, from Jasenia. Another dashboard, and then I printed out these, which were another Fox and Pip, or was this Sparkly Paper Co? Or maybe both, collab with Annie Plans, and I am going to use this for meal planning. And then this is my last little dashboard with the little seal on there, which I thought was really cute. And then I just put a piece of that paper that's laminated on the back. And then I also, on the bottom here, put a bunch of these Studio Signet little charms. These are the teardrop like clips, and I just kind of like layered a bunch, which I don't know how like functional this is, but I thought it was really cute. So I have the little stars, the little jingle bells, and then the little like diamond there. So I thought that was really cute, and that is my whole setup, like I said. Oh, and then this is a Tiffany's pen. Nick got me this, I think, for Christmas, and then I did find a refill, so it is actually a gel pen, which is awesome, because usually they are just ballpoint. So that is what the planner looks like. This will kind of be like an on-the-go for personal things, mostly for like birthdays and things, so I remember to send cards and stuff like that and anniversaries. So that is the little flip through. I hope you guys like this video. Sorry if it was a little fast, but there's not a ton to show. I'll try and leave all of the shops that I mentioned in the comments down below, and again, this, not the comments, but the description. And then this is the paper pad, and it was at Michael's. So hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.